An update on my diamond crossing. This weekend I've cut those 4 metal shims. Basically they have the same function as the plastic one, which is to hold the rail to the wooden tie and also to isolate the rail from the tie to avoid corrosion. This is a sample one that I've done in the past, so I need to drill exactly the holes where they need to be and then assemble below the rail like that, and then pushing underneath and fasten. When this work will be done, the next step will be, yes, to put the diamond crossing outside on the track. And we will start to see how well it's working outside with the real train. Any question? Let me know and ask them in the comment section below the video.